So dito guys, Legend 10 star itong account ko, at dito susubukan ko na itong ipamitik ngayon sa loob ng ilang oras. First game, Karina agad ako. Sa game na ito guys, hindi ako nahirapan dahil marurunong rin naman yung mga random na kasama ko.
I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. Life till it's over. And I will not forgive those who hold me down. I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance to go down. And I will always live my
So ayun, easy win lang sa first game. Second game, laban si Karina at Helfert kaya dito nag-Harley naman ako. Dito guys, sinabihan ko si Roger na ay gold lane niya na lang kasi pwede rin naman at para makapag-core ako. Kaso nag-lock ng yung S5 kaya nag-mid lane na lang ako.
Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo, fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo, work until you're found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo, don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it, take control, don't just take it, yo. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some.
Pagpasok ng game, umiiyak na agad yung Khalid na kasama namin dahil sa lineup. Pero hindi ko na lang pinansin guys at nag-focus na lang ako para manalo itong game. Wala daw dalaw sabi ni Melissa, kaya ako na lang ang dumalaw kaso nabigyan rin ako. At ayon, panalo ulit sa second game. Third game, in-invite ako ng new supporter ko at nagduo na kami.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it, it's impossible.
Dito Johnson yung gamit niya at nagkarina naman ako. Sa game na ito guys, nakita ko yung laro ng new supporter ko kung gaano siya ka-solid mag-Johnson. Ang galing niya talaga mag-drive ng Johnson guys, para bang nag-aral sa LTO ng 10 taon.
You're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight
You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying. I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just fake it. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud, you better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
So ayun, easy win lang sa third game guys. Fourth game, trio na kami dahil sinama ko na yung kapatid ko. Kaso, masyado nang mahaba itong video guys kaya ika-cut ko na lang at ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung ending ng mga laro ko. Baka kasi mainip kayo at hindi nyo natuposan itong video. Dito nagpaalam na yung supporter ko kaya nagduo na lang kami ng kapatid ko. Talo guys, pero hindi ako nabawasan dahil sa protection star. Ayaw na rin ng kapatid ko guys, kaya nagsolo na lang ako papuntang Mythic.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit.
Dito sa 8th game, gusto sumama ng isang supporter ko rin, kaya sinama ko na. Isang game na lang kasi guys at Mythic na ako, kaya pinulido ko talaga yung laro ko. So ayun guys, nakapag Mythic na rin itong main account ko kaya lilipat naman ako niyan sa mga Smurf account ko. Hanggang dito na lang muna guys, maraming salamat sa inyo sa panonood.